This sweet pork combines last week's Budget Busters theme with this week's crockpot favorites. Season the pork on all sides with salt and pepper into the crockpot, add water in the pork. Cover and cook on low for 7 to 8 hours, then transfer to a cutting board to cool. Reserve that broth for another yummy dinner, maybe a not your college ramen night. For the sauce, whisk together root beer, enchilada sauce, salt and pepper, cumin, brown sugar or swerve, molasses, and garlic powder. Separate the pork from the fat and bone and tear into medium pieces. Pour the sauce and pork into the crockpot and cook on high 30 minutes. Give it a taste to see if you want to add any additional sweetness. Add about $8 for the protein. It's affordable and it can go a long way. Tonight it's taco night. Tomorrow I'll show you another favorite way we like to eat this Copycat Costa Vida favorite.